Noprias presents branch-wise clips for JOSA counseling. Through Noprias, its members and volunteers are trying to provide you the best counseling support and guidance. We are only trying to brief you about different disciplines in college, and we are not asking you to compulsorily opt for any specific college or branch. We hold no liability or responsibility for any misinformation that creeps in while following this video. Please take your final decision at your own discretion. As you all know that the counseling and admission season is live and all the soon to go college students are confused with what branch they should prefer as they're clueless about their branch. So we are here to help you out. Hello everyone, I am Saraswati Kumari, an executive member of Noprayas, and today I have Mr. Syam Dev with us who will be telling you guys about his branch and his college experience. So hello Mr. Syam Dev, can you please tell us about your college, branch, and where are you now?
Okay. So my college was Indian Institute of Technology, Banaras Hindu University. My branch was chemical engineering. And currently I'm in State College, Pennsylvania, US to pursue a higher degree again in chemical engineering.
Uh, Now, can you tell us some branch curriculum of chemical engineering in brief?
Sure. The branch curriculum in general in chemical engineering is like the fluid mechanics that you have already learned in 12th grade, and heat transfer. It also has components that let you go to other branches, like it has basics of electrical engineering, statistics, and yeah, that's the majority of it I can remember.
That was an explanation of the curriculum of chemical engineering. I hope it helps students out there to decide if they're interested to take chemical engineering or not. Now I'd like to know about the pros and cons of taking chemical engineering as a major branch.
Sure, that's gonna be difficult. Okay. So let me start with the um, cons of the taking chemical engineering. The cons of taking this branch is wherever you would be going, like admitting to universities with this branch, you would have like so many students in your batch. And as per the current market in India, there are not that many jobs for chemical engineering graduates. So you have to compete with so many people, and it's difficult to get jobs unless you are from very prestigious university like IIT Mumbai or somewhere, IIT Kanpur or even BHU for sure. And the pros is like there are different companies in India, like big companies in India, like Indian Oil Corporation Limited, like whichever you see the oil companies, they are the public sector companies. So if you graduate with this degree, you have the option to like get employed at these big companies. And as we all know, these public sector companies jobs are like pretty secure, and you can just go ahead with that in your career. So I hope that answers the question.
Yeah. My next question would be like I'd like to know more about the scope of higher studies and placements in the branch chemical engineering.
So higher studies and placement.
Yeah. First about higher studies.
Mm, So as of now, the scope for higher studies in chemical engineering is pretty high. Uh, the Prime Minister of India is also in like started many degrees like masters and funding research and everything, that you can go higher studies in the same chemical engineering, like you can go for MTech or PhD in, as well as you have the flexibility to pursue higher degree in finance or management, like you can do an MBA job, or you can also go for general competition like UPSC, etc.
Okay. Now, my last question would be why anyone should go for this branch as a major branch?
Okay. The reason why anyone should go for this branch is what I felt through my undergrad years as well as the current years. Like it's more like a multidisciplinary branch. Like if you are in chemical engineering, you have the flexibility that you can learn some of the skills that undergraduates in science engineering or IT people are learning. You can learn those skills, those programming skills, as well as you have the core skills that come up with the chemical engineering degree. So uh, it opens up in new avenues, like you can go in different sectors of employment. You can go in management, you can go in computer science, IT department, as well as you can stay in the core chemical engineering jobs as well. So that's the major thing that comes to my mind why you should join this branch.
So that was nice interacting with you. Thank you, Mr. Shyam Dev, for providing us insights about the branch chemical engineering. I hope this would help the students out there who are opting for chemical engineering branch in different colleges. Thanks.
Sure. Yeah, thanks a lot.